So in this video I'm going to take a look at an issue that I came across when I was setting up my second Raspberry Pi, which is a Raspberry Pi Zero, and I have both of them open here on the screen. So this is my Raspberry Pi 4 and I enabled the projects. Okay? So this is what I should be seeing. On the Raspberry Pi Zero I've enabled projects in exactly the same way and it's not there for some reason. If you have a look on the screen, you can see here the one on the left is the Node-RED installation that's working. So when I start Node-RED down here, I can see here projects directory and everything's happy. The one on the right is the one that's not working, and that is the error message I'm getting: projects disabled, git command not found. So I think it's something that's gone wrong with the git package. So I'm going to try and fix that. The first thing I'll do is a sudo update. I've done a sudo update and an upgrade and run Node-RED again just to see if that fixed the issue, and you can see here that I still have the same problem. I still have the issue that the git command can't be found. I'm assuming it's something to do with the git package, so let's see if we can fix this. Now this package should have been installed as part of the standard image, so I'm guessing that something's gone wrong. So let's see if we can install it. Sudo application install git. The git package is now installed. I can type in a command to get my latest version, which you can see here is git ---- version, and I can see that I'm on version 2.30-2. I'll try running Node-RED again and we'll see what message we get this time. So if we have a look on the screen now, I have a different message. The error message is gone. The projects directory has now been set, so that looks like a success. I wasn't sure whether I had to do a sudo reboot, but I was lazy, couldn't be bothered, and gave it a go, but it looks like it's a success there. So let's go back to Node-RED running on my web browser. Let's do a refresh. I'm worried that I might have to clear my browser cache, but let me just restart my browser. I had some issues. I tried starting the web browser and clearing the cache, so it's putting it in private mode, and it still wouldn't come up, and my laziness come back and kicked me up the butt. I did a sudo reboot, and now I can see that my projects is working on the Raspberry Pi Zero. So you can put your details in here and get this up to a working state. Now what we're trying to do here, of course, is set up your login details for Bitbucket or Git, but I'll cover that on another video. You can just put some details in here and you don't have to do any cloning at this stage, and it saves all of your projects on your Raspberry Pi in a file structure. So yeah, that's it. So I hope that was useful. It was a little error that I saw, and I saw it online, and it looked like other people have had the same issue. So keep an eye out for it. So we're looking for that error, projects and git command can't be found. But I hope you found that useful. Thanks for listening. As I always say, please like and share these videos with your friends and colleagues. Thanks for listening, and hope to see you again soon.